Hey guys, back with you today, going over another question we get pretty often here, especially when you buy a big bow that's 8 foot or bigger. It's going to come with chains on it to help you secure it instead of the traditional wire. So when you receive it, it's going to come like this, and the first thing that you're going to need to do when you get ready to install is just go ahead and take your bolt out right quick between the two pieces of chain, and when it separates out, you'll have your section here, and basically you're just going to wrap this around whatever structure that you're putting it on, whether it be a wreath or a building, whatever. You want to wrap it and then get your bolt back in between the chain as tight as you could possibly get it, so you don't have a whole lot of play in the product. We don't want any play with a product this big going up on the side of a building, obviously. So cinch it back down around your product like this, and you'll be good to go. Just do it on the other side. One other thing to point out with this product, around the edge and the trim, we always put multiple grommets on a product this size, just to give you various options for tying off and securing the product when you're doing your installation. So hope this video helped you out a little bit today. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.